Welcome back. In this quick 1 minute 21 seconds tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Revolve feature in SOLIDWORKS to create 3D models instantly. First, start a new part file and open a sketch on the front plane. Select the Line and Arc tool to draw half of your object profile. Now sketch half of the shape you want to revolve. Make sure your sketch is closed and fully defined. You can use dimensions to fix the size of your profile. Next, draw a vertical center line. This will act as your revolve axis. Every Revolve feature needs this axis to rotate the sketch around. Go to Features Revolved Boss /Base. SOLIDWORKS instantly rotates your sketch 360 degrees around the axis. You can also change the angle if you want a partial. Modify angle and direction. Under the Revolve options, set the angle to 360 degrees for a full body. You can choose one direction, two direction, or mid-plane depending on your design. Click OK, and your Revolve 3D model is ready. This tool is perfect for creating objects like bottles, cups, wheels, and knobs. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment which SOLIDWORKS feature you want next. Thanks for watching.